Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn a language online step by step. First, clearly define your learning goals. Do you want to travel, work, or simply enjoy new media? Next, choose a language that truly excites you, as passion fuels persistence. Finally, set realistic, achievable milestones, perhaps aiming for basic conversational fluency within 3 to 6 months. This foundational step ensures you have a clear direction and motivation. Now, let's select the right tools for your journey. There are countless online platforms and apps available, from free options like Duolingo to more comprehensive paid services such as Babbel or Pimsleur. Consider a blend of resources to cover different aspects of language acquisition. The key is to find a method that aligns with your personal learning style, whether you prefer visual, auditory, or interactive approaches. Consistent practice is absolutely crucial for progress. Aim to dedicate at least 15 to 30 minutes every single day to your chosen language. Beyond structured lessons, immerse yourself by watching movies, listening to music, or reading articles in the target language. Actively seek out opportunities for real-time conversation, perhaps through online language exchange partners or virtual tutors, to solidify your understanding and speaking skills. Finally, regular review and sustained motivation are vital. Make sure to revisit vocabulary and grammar concepts frequently to reinforce your learning. Track your progress, perhaps by keeping a journal or using an app, and celebrate every small victory along the way. Connecting with other language learners can provide invaluable support and encouragement, creating a community that helps you stay inspired and committed to your long-term language goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.